Hi, my name is Alan.
And my name is Carol, and we chose Mayflower to renovate our bathrooms.
So at one point, I opened up the medicine cabinet and the knob fell off. And Carol said, that's it, we're going to renovate these bathrooms.
My problems with this bathroom were that it was looking very old and dingy. The major problem was that instead of this Vanity, there was this old style 1960s or earlier Vanity that had some kind of a plastic, I don't know what the material was, top.
Like Formica.
Formica or something, and it would get stained, and it just was extremely ugly from the beginning.
In terms of the other bathroom, it was your typical old 1960s bathroom that on one side had a tile going up about halfway. To say it was a funky old bathroom would be an understatement. Mayflower was sort of the Goldilocks Contractor for us. It was the combination of them having things that we could look at so we didn't have to guess, and them having their own folks, not some contractor that they bring in, but their own folks come in and do the job. The other thing I'll say about Mayflower is they will not sign a contract with you until you have finished the process. Mayflower says, we're going to walk through this. We are going to select everything. You are going to be happy. And then when you are happy and we have finished what the price is with no fudging, then we're going to sign a contract. Their crew is so professional, and you just know they're working as efficiently and expertly as they can. They cordon everything off. They clean everything up every day. About a half hour it took them, and they had everything cleaned. They still had things on the floor to protect everything. But I go and look at our bedroom with the plastic wall things coming down, and it amazed me that at night
it was gone.
It was gone. We was gone. We had a bedroom again. So it was just a great construction experience.
They went to such lengths that they vacuumed the driveway in the evening before they left. We were totally amazed. Our completed bathrooms meet and exceed our expectations. We just love them. We're really happy that we did this in the way we did.
I'm amazed how good it looks. Everything came together. And the other thing is the quality of the stuff you get. You said, we're always focused on the outside of these things. I opened the door and said, oh my God, look at that's nice wood, and you close it and it closes softly. Everything you get from them is the highest quality. They don't nickel and dime you with stuff. I would absolutely recommend, and have recommended, Mayflower. There was this guy on the listserv we have in our neighborhood. He said, I'm looking for a bathroom and modeler, and everybody's giving me all these high quotes, and everybody was giving it, this guy, and I said, use Mayflower. Use Mayflower. You will not regret it. They will walk you through it. You get great stuff. You're going to pay right down the middle of what the market is, and you're going to, at the end of the day, have a great bathroom.